Chai tea is one of the most popular types of tea and is consumed around the world. It is well known for its spicy and distinct flavor and is especially popular during the winter months. It contains a combination of different spices that not only taste great, but provide numerous health benefits. Now, let's discuss the amazing health benefits of chai tea. First, many studies have shown that regular consumption of chai tea can help to improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. This is because of the many heart-healthy nutrients chai tea contains. Chai tea can help to regulate and lower blood pressure levels while also reducing total cholesterol, bad LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides. The cinnamon, cloves, fennel, and cardamom ingredients found in chai tea are especially helpful in this regard. Consuming chai tea regularly can also help to improve digestion and even reduce feelings of nausea. This is because chai tea contains ginger, which is well known for its anti-nausea benefits. As well, chai tea contains tremendous antibacterial properties due to the cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves found in it, which work together to prevent and treat unwanted digestive issues. The black pepper found in chai tea can also improve digestion and prevent certain infections. Chai tea also contains tremendous antioxidant properties and compounds that can promote our health a number of different ways. They are a great source of polyphenol antioxidants, flavonoids, and more due to all of the potent ingredients it contains. These powerful antioxidants can help to reduce free radicals and protect our cells from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation throughout the body, and boost immunity. Lastly, consuming chai tea regularly can help to control and regulate blood sugar levels. This is often attributed to its good levels of cinnamon and ginger, which are both beneficial for blood sugar levels. As well, studies have shown that chai tea can help to reduce insulin resistance and fasting blood sugar levels significantly. This may be able to provide benefits for those individuals with type 2 diabetes. Just be sure to consume chai tea with no sugar added. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.